What up, YouTube? It's your boy Rico, and I'm back with another video. We had this car meet, you know what I'm saying? I got my boy Quay. It's the image setters out here, my boy Jalen out here. The rest of the crew over there somewhere, but we lit, man. Hey, if y'all haven't did it before, go subscribe, like, comment on my recent videos, and we going up. Check out these shits.
Hey there! Hey there!
I wanted to get me one of those pictures too. Yeah.
Hey, baby!
Hey, baby. How you doing?
I'm doing good. How you?
And this red scat. The fucking lights. And this bit right here, boy. That's the top one out here for me right about now. Besides the wide body cat down here. I'm gonna show y'all that later. Hey, Quay! Quay! How y'all doing? Bro, it's the fact that they got the Hellcat Durango out here, bro. You got the Scatties lined up. Then this SRT Chrysler 300. Oh, don't worry about it. I'm about to get though. This bit clean, boy. Sitting on Brembos. Sitting on big Brembos. Blacked out. Go and check him out. And you got this Camaro. This rap is crazy. And y'all got you see it. You see it, Honda gang. Honda gang. Lined up. This motherfucker right here though. This bit bad. This is bad with the wide body carbon. It's the carbon fiber for me. Wide body. GT. You see it. I ain't gonna put a license plate in there.
All I needed to see was a fat wheel.
Who's this? You mind being on YouTube?
Yeah, you good, man.
Yeah, my boy came out with the big thing, man. 5.0.
Hey, Pro Charge.
Gotta be. Pro Charge, cam, carbon fiber. Dang.
Oh, shit.
Oh my God. You got this wide body thing. Then they got the Durango Hellcat. The Durango Hellcat got the scat. Are you good, bro? SRT thing. Got another. You see it? Oh shit, we getting out of here. I'm gonna get back with y'all.
Oh, yeah!
Boy, it's something about it, yeah, man.
I tell the girl now. Hey, he about to talk that TTRS. Man, fuck that goddamn TTRS.
Bro, did you see that wild body scat over there? That fucking rap is crazy. Say what up, sis. What you want to say to YouTube?
Put me on camera.
What you want to say to YouTube? Hey, yeah. Hey, y'all see it? Lady driven, you see it? Yes, sir. One and only.
Fastest goddamn car in Burt T.
Rev that thing up. Oh God, I said that shit out loud. Hey man, forget that, man. Look at this Durango Hellcat, man. Durango Hellcat, man. Who that is? What's up? On me, I want to hear this.
Shit. Bro, my goddamn.
And a damn flame pop out that motherfucker. That shit came from Florida too.
I had that bitch transport. I know I would've. I had that bitch sitting down.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Like,
I'm cool to Wilson. I'm cool to Wilson. Get my bread up.
bro, I gotta go ahead and get my charger, bro. I gotta go ahead and get my charger, man.
Which one, the GT or the RT?
The RT.
I can't sure get on that, man.
Yeah.
That can't get on there.
Hell no.
You be hooking on.
You can do it. I know. This nigga Trump. Damn, that nigga shit smoke.
That nigga Trump going crazy.
I see it right down there. Don't it? Shit, walk.
Everybody good, you know.
What's up? What's up? What's up?
What's up, man?
It's cool. I get the car. Nice little wide body thing. We out here with the 3 leaders. They just started. I want to get a little interview with them real quick. All right. So what's your name?
My name is Dane, man. Captain of Deluxe Society. We just started it, and we already going crazy, as you can see.
Right.
I'm Lewis, man. I don't talk too much, but you know, I'm passive.
I'm Pat. I'm the 3rd captain, Deluxe PXD.
All right.
On Instagram, man.
And where y'all located at?
Well, for Knightdale, Clayton, pretty much all over the eastern side,
Okay.
Mount Raleigh area, stuff like that.
All right. So what made y'all want to do like a car club?
It was really just like one a group of people. Everybody's in the cars. You want everybody to vibe out, be cool with each other. You know,
Right.
We had the same interests, so build a family upon it. Keep going from there.
Right.
Others keep you motivated throughout the day. You know, everybody have rainy days, so whenever you get motivated from the other guys too,
Yeah.
keep them up also. So 1 down, 2 out, 1 down, the other 2 out.
That's
It's
true.
a teamwork thing, man.
That's true.
That's just how we are.
All right.
We like these.
So.
We like these.
Hey, man, I love y'all energy, man.
Got to, man.
So, if y'all could pick any car out here that y'all think the best at the car meet, which one y'all think it'll be?
No, man.
I ain't fully walked
I ain't walked around yet.
Right.
Stop with you, bro. Get out of the car right now.
All right.
Clean though.
All right. So, where can they find y'all on like social media, anything like that?
Yes, sir.
Pull it up. I'm gonna pull it up for you.
Instagram, TikTok, Deluxe PXD. You can find me anywhere out there.
That's the ground right there, man.
All right, y'all
Deluxe
see it.
Society _.
Go follow them. Get them a like, you know what I'm saying? Turn up on their page or whatever.
Yeah.